Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Discord IP ban error. Many users suddenly see errors like your IP has been blocked or can't log in, and this usually happens due to security or network issues. First, understand why IP bans happen. A Discord may block an IP because of too many login attempts, VPN usage, suspicious activity, or shared networks. Knowing the reason helps fix it faster. Step 1, restart your internet router. Restarting often assigns a new IP address. This is the easiest and fastest fix for most users. Step 2, turn off VPN or proxy. Discord blocks many VPN IPs. Disable VPN, restart Discord, and try logging in again. Step 3, switch networks if possible. Try using a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi. This confirms whether the ban is network related. Step 4, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache can trigger repeated errors. Delete cache from app data greater than Discord and restart the app. Step 5, wait for the ban to expire. Most IP bans are temporary, lasting a few hours to 24 hours. Avoid repeated login attempts during this time. Step 6, reset your login behavior. Don't spam login, verification, or password reset requests. This prevents further security flags. Finally, contact Discord support. Explain that your IP may be wrongly blocked. Provide your email and error details so they can review it. So yeah, fixing Discord IP ban errors is about router restart, disabling VPN, changing networks, clearing cache, waiting patiently, avoiding spam actions, and contacting support. Follow these steps and you should regain access safely. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.